Article 260 of the Indian Constitution provides for a special administrative arrangement between the Union, Government of India, and territories outside of India. Here's a breakdown of what it entails. Agreement with external territories. Article 260 allows the Indian government to make agreements with the government of any territory outside India, provided that territory is not part of Indian territory. Undertaking functions. Through these agreements, the Indian government can assume certain executive, legislative, or judicial roles in that foreign territory. This means India can perform functions or exercise authority on behalf of that foreign government. Conditions and foreign jurisdiction laws. Such agreements, however, must comply with any laws that govern the exercise of foreign jurisdiction in India. This means that if there are any existing legal provisions in India about handling foreign affairs or jurisdiction, these must guide and limit the scope of such agreements. In essence, Article 260 allows India to extend its administrative reach temporarily to external regions under mutual agreement, as long as it aligns with India's laws on foreign jurisdiction. The Constitution of India. Part 11. Relations between the Union and the States. Chapter 2. Administrative Relations. General. Article 260. Jurisdiction of the Union in relation to territories outside India. The Government of India may, by agreement with the government of any territory not being part of the territory of India, undertake any executive, legislative, or judicial functions vested in the government of such territory, but every such agreement shall be subject to, and governed by, any law relating to the exercise of foreign jurisdiction for the time being in force.